My name is Sky McKinnon and I am a biology major. I have chosen a case regarding an Australian neuroscientist named Bruce Murdoch who fraudulently claimed to have discovered major breakthroughs in the treatment of Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's is a disease that affects nerve cells in the brain that are responsible for producing dopamine. This causes symptoms of muscle rigidity, tremors, and changes in speech. There haven't been any major breakthroughs in the process of curing or preventing Parkinson's, but there are ways to slightly relieve some symptoms.
Herbert Tanner is a man in motion.
I come down here and play pool every day.
He's always moving whether he chooses to or not.
Well, if I don't use it, I go into shaking my right arm real bad, and I can't do anything with it. I can't stop it.
His tremors are a symptom of Parkinson's disease.
Bruce Murdoch made headlines in 2016 after he pled guilty to 17 fraud-related charges, including the publishing of an article which claimed that he discovered beneficial treatments for Parkinson's disease. According to the dictionary, fraud is an intentional misrepresentation of material existing fact made by one person to another with the knowledge of its falsity and for the purpose of inducing the other person to act and upon which the other person relies with resulting injury or damage. Neuroscientist Murdoch had been given public and private grant money to conduct a study after falsifying consent forms of people saying they would participate in the study. Murdoch produced an in-depth paper that gave those with the crippling disease hope for the future of treatment. This breakthrough would not have been known to be fake if Murdoch's employer at the University of Queensland, a whistleblower, had not investigated into the study and publicly raised doubts about its integrity. Bruce Murdoch pled guilty to all 17 of his fraud-related charges, with Murdoch willing to take a plea deal. After investigation, no evidence was found proving that any medical studies were even attempted by Murdoch. Due to Murdoch's research being attached to a university, the grants provided had to be reimbursed by the university rather than Murdoch himself. Murdoch was only suspended from medicine and medical research for 2 years, which the court did to send a warning that research misconduct is unacceptable. My personal and legal opinion on this case is that the courts did not punish Murdoch enough. There have been many other cases like this since the year 2000, and all of the sentences were light. Murdoch gave false hope to many people and families dealing with this disease, causing a lot of emotional damage. Murdoch also accepted thousands of dollars from public and private institutions that he never intended to use to help people. I believe that due to this misconduct, Murdoch should have been sent to prison for at least the number of years that his fake research was conducted. He should also be banned from receiving research grants and have his medical license permanently revoked. Giving people false hope is incredibly and emotionally damaging, especially to those who have been living with such a horrible disease.